Hello, my name is Joshua. Today we are pruning an oak tree. The client is one pruning, just a slight uplift off the buildings. And also we've got a dangerous dead tree with a little bit overhanging the house and all that, and we're removing that today. We're cutting the ground, we've got the Avant, which will help us load the logs into the back of the truck. Once they've chipped it, we can move that a little bit out. You can reverse straight out, come here, load into here. Maybe it'd be beneficial maybe to move the hire, and we can drive the Avant to the hire. Who needs a tape measure? Safety is number one. Safety should be being aware of your surroundings around the Avant. Avant's machine can lift and can turn very quickly and things like that, where the main priority is be out of the way, be in sight of the driver and everything like that, and let him do what he's going to do to load the truck. There's also the fact that the tree is dead. The tree is a safety concern, but we've got an EWP, which eliminates that risk. We'll have a bucket where we go up, we don't have to climb the tree. We can actually just remove the tree from a safety thing.
What's it like driving your EWP in the morning?
Well, you've got to be careful.
Yeah.
Because obviously it's big machinery in tight spaces.
Yeah.
You don't want to damage any property, so you need to be careful.
Yeah.
But it's relatively intuitive.
So do you like working with that thing, or is it?
I prefer climbing.
Climbing?
Like it is, in this case, I prefer it because it's like, that's a shit climb. In situations I look at trees, I'm like, oh, it's easier to climb than use that. So I'm very situational based of what I like to do. I look at it, if it's practical to use it, 100% use that. But sometimes there's some climbers who want to use that more than their climbing, where it's just, sometimes I'll work harder because it's easier. Like harder on me, like getting into that is not that hard.
Yeah.
But then it can be harder to do the tree and longer and all that. If I can get up there and do it in an hour and that takes 3 hours, I'm going to get up, even though it's harder for that 1 hour, I'll get up there and do it for that 1 hour.
Yeah.
But then I'll chill for an hour. So because we don't have an actual high point and it's dead, you've got to climb on it. So if something snaps, it's falling straight to the ground.
Yeah.
You know, there was a big main one up the middle.
Yeah.
It's climbable.
Yeah.
It's still climbable, but the risk of someone getting hurt is a lot higher. We've eliminated the climbing aspect and used machinery to make it safe. It's one absolutely amazing about change trees. We have the equipment to do that.